Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this set of nails here. I'm just going to call this like a dreamy cloud look. I've been seeing a lot of this and the gray colors and I absolutely loved it. Sorry guys, I have a sore throat, but I am going to be trying to talk through this one with you guys, and I kind of have like a am I the a-hole story real life that I'm going to get into, and some of the spots that I'm not talking to you guys about the design. But I'm starting out with this color here. This is from Born Pretty. Everything will be linked below. And I want to say this, and I usually don't say this in my videos, but if you guys like my content and enjoy watching me do these different nail designs, please be sure to like the video and subscribe if you want to see more. So yeah, these are the extra long Coffin tips by Nailzbydev, and I'm just doing one coat of the Born Pretty. I guess this would be a gray, but if you look at my palette, I have like gray colors. I don't know the exact name of this, but I love this color, and I actually forgot I had this. This was one of the first kits I ever bought. But I love this. It was like a fall color, and I think it went really well with this design. And you guys, I've been playing around with different colors on my natural nails and like funky designs. It's so much fun. I just do that in the meantime. And these are some Rosalind colors that I had a video for. And you guys, are you ever doing nails and there's little hairs in them? Like, I swear, like, these aren't my hairs. Like, they're so small, and they're not like thick, like as if it was an eyelash or something. They're like stringy little hairs. It's very annoying. So I was dealing with that. A lot of that I cut out of the video, but I was dealing with that with the other color. And now I'm just going in with a liner brush, and I mixed the gray color with some white to kind of get this like off gray color. And I'm not too worried about the lining of the hearts because I am going to go over with a darker gray and then a white to kind of make it pop, especially since I ended up making these matte. I wanted to add a little bit of dimension and make it stand out from the background gray. I'm also adding some little stars. And you guys, I've been seeing the cloud design, but I wasn't even really sure. This was kind of a freestyle, so I wasn't even really sure that I was going to do the cloud design, but I ended up doing it because I got tired of drawing the hearts. Sometimes hearts don't turn out right, and if you know, you know. So I was like, you know what? I'm not doing hearts on all of these, and that's why I actually ended up doing the clouds. It was my first time trying to do the cloud design, and I had an idea in my mind of how I wanted to do it. I wanted to mix the white with base coat to kind of give it like that fluffy, not all together, just white look. And I ended up mixing those two together, but you'll see I also put base gel on the nail. I don't have blooming gel. Maybe blooming gel is what's normally used to do these clouds. I haven't watched a tutorial yet, but again guys, if you haven't seen my videos, I just do this for fun. Like, I'm just taking videos of me painting these nails for fun. Like, that's the whole thing. So unless I name something a tutorial or a how-to, I'm most likely just doing these designs for the first time. And again, I didn't even know I was going to do the clouds. So here I am. I'm mixing some of the Model 1's base gel and some of the white, and I'm kind of using this flatter brush. I use this when I do like marble. Oh, and I put a little gray in there. I forgot about that. So at first I was just gonna pick it up, but then I'm like, no, it seems too thick. Let me put some base gel like I do when I do marble. And then I put it down. I think it came out pretty cute. It could have been thinner, if that makes sense. Like, less altogether, like the second one here. You see how it has like some spots? I kind of liked it like that. The first one I feel like was too opaque. That's the word, too opaque. But yeah, I think it's really cool. I would try this cloud look. Like, I would like to try like to do a 2 cloud look, like almost like a marble cloud. I think that'd be really cool. But that's how I did that, you guys. So if you want to try it out. I might actually search a tutorial and see how people are actually doing it, but it came out looking fine to me. So life hack. But okay, guys, I'm pretty much just doing the rest of these nails here. And I did tell you that I kind of had an am I the a-hole situation, and I honestly would like a little bit of advice back on this if you guys would like to share. So my situation is I have never been a part of a wedding. I've never attended one, and I don't really know how they work. However, my old neighbor actually asked me to be a part of her wedding, and then eventually her maid of honor due to I guess just lack of other people taking the role. So I quickly began to try and search the role of a maid of honor and what I'm supposed to do. You guys, I know it's my fault. I should have done this before accepting the role, but I think I was just so excited to be asked that I was like, there's no way I can't say no. Mind you, this was just like my old neighbor. That's like how I know this woman. And she's, a couple decades older than me. Is decades 10 years? She's probably like 20 something years older than me. But yeah, so she's great. She's wonderful, really intelligent, amazing woman, and I'm so happy that she's getting married. However, I didn't know, like, as a maid of honor, I'm supposed to like plan things, and I'm supposed to like pay for things. I honestly thought it just meant I get special treatment like the bride, but no, I am a worker. Like, I am working the wedding, which again I was okay with. I was a little taken back, but I was okay with it. Oh, and you guys, now I'm going in with the details. So now I'm doing just white outline details and some little dots and just where I kind of want to add it. And then you'll see I go in with the darker gray. But okay, so back to the story. So yeah, I had accepted this. I was planning. I'm talking to other bridesmaids. And you guys, the communication is just not great. Like, me and the bride both know the communication is not great. And then I had some significant financial hardships. Like, so much stuff just came up that was so unexpected, and the wedding is in like a few months. Like, I've had less than a year knowing this, of being maid of honor. I don't even know her husband. There's so much going on, and I'm not dragging on her, and I'm not dragging on the wedding, and I'm not dragging on the wedding, or not the wedding, the marriage. I am just more like looking within if this is something that I can actually do for her properly. Because now with all of this adding up, one of the bridesmaids may not be a part of it. So that's even more like financial expenses on me and all these unexpected things. So I'm like, okay, it's February right now. Okay, the wedding's in 5, almost 6 months. Like, if I can't do this, you guys, am I the a-hole if I tell her I cannot be her maid of honor? Like, knowing that the other bridesmaid probably won't step up. I don't know what to do. I don't even know who I should ask about this, so I just figured I'd talk about it in this video because, yeah, I did these nails. It's a pretty lengthy video, and I didn't have to talk too much about what I'm doing. Again, this isn't a tutorial. It's just me painting my nails, and we're just hanging out and watching it happen. And I really like these videos and watching other people do their nails and explain things. I do watch tutorial videos, but the nail artists that I subscribe to, I mostly like their personality and the stories and their chit chat. But I do watch the tutorials for sure, especially if I'm using products that I've never used, or there's like a design and I'm like, how are people doing this? I will watch tutorials, like the short to the point tutorials. But that's not what we're doing here. That's not what we're doing. We're talking and we're painting nails. When it's time for a tutorial, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, that's my little story there. Here, when I am doing matte nails, I put one layer of regular top coat, so non-matte top coat, and then I put matte. So here I'm putting all the matte, And now we're gonna start putting the rhinestones on. This Macart tube is killing me, you guys. I had to use my clippers and like cut it open like really deep. And now I'm putting a little rhinestone on this one. And I definitely need to work on my stone placement. I've been watching some different YouTubers to see like their work, just to know. I don't have that many different sizes of stones, so I mean there's only so much I could do, but I have been working on using the various sizes. This was a different package that I had that had like gray ones, so I kind of wanted to use that, but then I looked and I'm like, why did I do that? Like most of the nails are lighter colored, and the AB stones like more so shine bright. Even some of them kind of look pinkish, as you can see here, like kind of pinkish purple yellow. So I don't know why I was using the dark stones in the beginning, and all the rest of the nails are like white, but you kind of see I fixed that at the end. But okay, I'm gonna let you guys just watch this and listen to the music for a bit. Oh, actually, no, right here I did want to let you know I did get glue like in a lot of different places, and I just use acetone to wipe that off. Acetone on my brush, I kind of clean it up, but you do want a good amount, and you do want the glue to cover the edges. I just didn't want it all over the nail because this glue does need to be cured under the lamp, so it will become thick if I just left it there. But I didn't mind using the acetone. I'm gonna do another matte coat once all my stones are on either way, so I'll let you guys watch now. So for the rest of these nails, again, I didn't really have an idea of where I wanted to place these, and a lot of this is kind of off focus. There I was trying to use like this ball. I have no idea how to put any of these like balls down. I need flat backs only. Flat backs are, you know, obviously the rhinestones that have a flat back, so I would not suggest like anything that's round. You can get pearl flat backs. Like if you want it to look round, just get that. I don't know, this kit I got, it's probably not for nail art, and that's my fault. But yeah, flat backs only. Didn't know how to apply that bead. I've tried to use those other beads before, like the white and gold ones you could see, like kind of on the left. Don't work. But yeah, oh my god, I loved how this one turned out. Did you see how it like changes colors? It's so pretty, the AB ones. I think I do prefer AB versus the like crystal clear. I don't know, I just think it looks more fun. It kind of gives it like a disco look. So I'm just going up the side of this nail, and then we're gonna work on the next. I will add, it's the beginning of February. At the end of at the end of February into March, me and my family are going on a vacation to Hawaii, which I'm super excited for. So I'm really trying to get out some nail designs before then so I can have some content out. I usually try to post once or twice a week, just depending. So if I can have at least one video already made for that time, I'd feel pretty good about that. I will be putting out another tropical set. I had made sets, like I'm making sets that I'm not recording, but sometimes I don't really like how they turned out, or too much of the footage was off focus, so I don't post it. But I do actually need a tropical set for my vacation that I'm actually going to wear on vacation, so I hope to be able to record that. And I'm thinking about doing my sister's Gel X nails. I haven't done another Gel X video really because I'm the queen of crooked nails, you guys. Like, I be putting the nails on crooked, and with Gel X it's like You would think I wouldn't put it underneath the lamp to cure it crooked, but I do. Like, I don't know what's going on. It's so crooked. But with the glue-ons or press-ons, like, I can move it around and like I can just pop it off and put it back on. Like, I don't know. I put enough base coat and enough gels on my nails that they don't like bend and break. Like, I can pop them off and put them back on, and I do that for the ones I actually wear, and I don't use any acrylic. This is all gel. It's just about the base coat. I usually don't show it in the video, but I've already put base coat onto the nails. And especially if I'm wearing them, like these, I'm not actually gonna wear. I'm just painting. But the ones I actually wear, I'm sometimes putting 2 coats, depending if they're long. Like, especially for these type, these are extra, extra long. Yeah, they need like 2 coats. And then I'm putting multiple layers of gel on top and top coat. So it adds strength, but... oh, and you guys, I am going to be doing a dip powder nails. I have some coming on the way. An amazing brand had reached out and they like specialize in dip powder, so they're gonna send me like a whole kit on how to do it. So I'm super excited. I have to look back at my old videos. What of you guys had given me a YouTuber who does dip powder, and I think I've actually watched her videos, so I'll have to look at my subscribed list because I haven't seen her come up on my feed recently. Yeah, because I've never done that, so super excited for that. And we are almost done with these nails here. I'm just cleaning up a little bit, and then we're gonna do another matte top coat, cure that, and then we are all set. I'm just making sure to get around the rhinestones as best as I can without going on top of them. But if you do go on top of them, as long as they're not plastic and they are glass, you can wipe them off with some acetone. But I just avoid it, honestly. It's fine. But yeah, I wanted to let you guys know, if you've made it this far in the video, I mean, it's almost over. So I just wanted to say thank you. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you stick around to see more of my videos. I absolutely love doing nail design, so I'm not stopping anytime soon. At this point, I was just looking over the nails and I was like, you know what? I realized that the thumb and the middle finger both had the little rhinestones at the top. So why not do like, you know, one, skip one, skip one, if that makes sense, and do them on the pinky. Also, I felt like the pinky needed a little bit more, especially since it didn't have any like drawn on art. It just had the rhinestone. So I'm just adding a little bit by the cuticle, and I absolutely love, especially on press-ons, I like putting designs on the cuticle. So there they are. Let me know what you guys think and have a great day. Bye.